Hello Facebookers people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss about Black Friday and the offers that you should have because Black Friday is coming. So, the reason I'm creating this video is because I have seen one Upwork job post and I'm really worried about some of you that you have the most crazy ideas and you think that they're going to work. So, it says that I have a client who is looking for a project that is very straightforward. His Facebook and Instagram ads need to drive traffic to his website product section. We already have an idea of the demographic and what our buyer looks like. He only sells one product and we will be doing a buy 4 get 5th free. If your work is good, I will be able to source this project to you for the next 6 months and so on and so on. Let's discuss a little bit about that. So, I wanted to make this video because a lot of times I hear people having ideas and Black Friday is coming and most of the times there are some ideas that are bad and some ideas that they're good. So this person was saying we're going to sell 4 and you're going to get the 5th one. And don't get me wrong, maybe it makes sense for the site, for the numbers and stuff. What doesn't make sense is the way that you mention it. For example, I can have an idea of if you buy 9, I will give you the 10th for free, okay? Does it sound appealing? No. Maybe it makes sense with your numbers. Maybe it makes sense because you're selling a low ticket item and you want to increase your average order value, but this is not the way. The way to do it maybe in your case is to have bundles so that you can increase the average order value instead of offering something that people are going to find a little bit excessive or not a good deal, okay? So whenever we're having offers, we need to think, okay, it makes sense for me, for my numbers, this is number 1 and the most important. But number 2, is it going to make sense for people to see it as a good offer? Because Black Friday is all about good offers. People need to think that they're getting an exceptional offer, okay? Something perfect. If you cannot offer 50% off, and you can offer only 10% off, see how you can do buy 2 get 1 for free. See if you can do another offer that would make sense, an offer that is easy for people to understand and that they're going to be able to actually say, okay, this seems like a good offer. But offering things like this won't get you anywhere, and just because they work with your numbers, it doesn't mean that it's going to work with people. Let's discuss a little bit about the different offers that I have seen during the previous year as working. Maybe it's going to help you decide what is good for you, but don't forget that whatever we're discussing here, it has to also make sense in terms of your numbers and the profitability that you have. Even if it's a bigger volume, it still has to be profitable for you. Number 1, straight away you go for a discount that is going to look nice. For example, a 10% discount for Black Friday, maybe it's going to look a little bit low. So if you cannot offer something higher than that, do something else. If now you're selling something super expensive, even if 10% is a lot of money, maybe it's not going to sound like it's appealing. For example, a lot of times people say, let's say that you're selling something for $5,000, okay? And you're giving a 10% discount. It doesn't sound good. But if you say, buy this Black Friday offer $500 off, then the people understand immediately and they say,
I'm actually getting $500.
Because it doesn't mean that because you give a 10% discount that everybody is going to understand how much money they're saving. People are lazy. They're not going to do the numbers. Don't forget that also in this period they are going to be bombarded by ads here and there. And whatever is going to look more appealing, this is what they are going to click and spend their money. There are people that they are saving money for the Black Friday period in order to buy then because they are expecting for good offers. The offers that they are going to see and they are going to look more appealing, they are going to click on them. One way is having percentages, so 10%, 20%, 30%. I can tell you from personal experience, anything up to from 25% and higher, it looks good and appealing for Black Friday. If you cannot do that, you can always do the second way, which is saying win $100 out of it, $150 out of it. And with that way, you can emphasize in the amount that they are saving instead of the percentage of the offer. Third thing, there are companies that even with that way you're saving $20, for example, the stuff, and it doesn't look super appealing. You can do what we call buy 2, get 1 for free. Buy 1, get the second one for free. Stuff like that. Of course, not like what our friend has done in the job post, saying that you can sell 4 and have 5. I don't find this appealing. No one would find this appealing. The last promotion that you can do is bundles, okay? So the way that you can do bundles is this. You can say that only for Black Friday, we are bundling these items and we are having a lower price to them. So when you're buying all of them, you are going to be able to buy all of them in this amount of money. It's the offer that I have seen not a lot being used. Most of the people use the percentages, the amount of money, and buy one get one free. And another thing is that a lot of companies, they are doing free shipping if they have a different model that it's going to make sense for people to get free shipping. That's all the offers. Try to make offers that they are going to look appealing and people are going to click. Don't forget that people are lazy and you need to show them how much they're winning actually, or you need to imply with a very big percentage so that they can think that they're winning a lot. The reality of how much they're winning from what they have in their mind that they're winning, it's two different things. You need to win their mind on what they think that they're winning, not the reality of what they're winning. So in my opinion, try to do it. Try to, go into watching competition, what they're doing, what they're not doing. Black Friday is coming. It's going to be a good Black Friday, I believe, with good results for Facebook ads. And I'm having a video that I posted earlier this week. You should watch it, about the way that you should do your Facebook ads and segment them during the month so that you can have enough data for when Black Friday is coming. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.